Hey guys, it's good to see you back again on the channel. Today, I'm gonna guide you on how to generate lighting effect in Midjourney. So please make sure to watch the video till the end. So we're gonna have to go to Discord in Midjourney and we're gonna start off with a default photo that we have in mind. So we're just gonna go ahead and imagine and just type in a photo of a woman in Paris who is a tourist. 35 mm, the standard filming type. It's gonna give you this result right here. Beautiful picture. So now we're gonna add some lighting effects on these pictures. So we're just gonna type here the same, and you can just put night or noon. Just gonna start with noon, and then again we're gonna have to create another one. Just add night, and it's gonna generate you the pictures that you requested for. Now there are actually a lot of different lightings that you can play with. There are club lighting, you can try window lighting, you can try dawn lighting or silhouette, whatever you want. It actually depends on you, and with a lot of experiments you will eventually get the photo that you are needing. So now we're just gonna try it right here. We can even try weathers. So let me just go ahead and click the photos that we requested earlier. So right here, so here's the one that we requested for noon, and this is the one that we requested for the night picture. These images look beautiful, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and try with a weather filter. So you're gonna have to type in that and just add cloudy weather. You can even try rainy weather or whatever weather you want. So here you go. It actually gives you a photo of a woman in a cloudy weather. So again, with a lot of experiments, you can just play around. Here are some examples: cloudy weather. Here is dim lighting. This actually looks very beautiful, guys. And this one for golden hour. And again, you can just play around, and eventually you will get the result that you want. I hope I helped you, and make sure to like and subscribe if this video helped you, and comment down below if you have any questions. See you guys in the next video.